everyone, welcome to Jobscan. I'm Sydney and I'm going to show you how to use the new one-click optimize feature in Jobscan. So first, from your dashboard, scroll down to the scanner module. Select either a saved resume or upload a new resume. You can also import your LinkedIn profile to make it even easier to get started. I'm going to upload a resume file, and then the next step is to paste in a job description. You can paste in a job description from any job board or company website, but I'm going to start from the jobs search board in Jobscan and select this job that I want to apply for. I'm going to click on Scan, which will automatically paste that job description into the window. Next, click on One-Click Optimize. Now here you'll see a message letting you know that Jobscan is only changing the content of your resume. So if you have a custom template you're using, you'll still be able to use that template. So here we are in One-Click Optimize. On the left side, you have your report with your match rate, and on the right side, you have the text of your resume. Let's go left to right to go through what we're looking at here. So first, the match rate. This is the iconic Jobscan match rate. It shows you how well you match that job. This is not just a resume score. You might have a good resume, but it might just not be a good match or hasn't been tailored yet for the job. So this match rate tells you how well your resume matches the job. Next, you'll see your report. So the first tab is skills. This is where you'll see all of the hard skills that are mentioned in the job description, as well as the soft skills, and it will tell you which ones were found on your resume and which ones weren't. So the red X means that it was not found on your resume. The green check means that it was found on your resume. And you'll notice there's a note here for AI suggested. That means that that skill was missing from your resume, but the AI has suggested a change to your resume that will incorporate that skill. Now, for some of the skills, you'll notice that it's missing, but there's no AI suggested note here. And that's because as you hover over, you'll see AI can't suggest changes for this job because there isn't enough context in your resume. So Jobscan won't make up information in order to incorporate a skill. It's analyzing the context of your resume and your current experience and skills, and it will suggest adjustments in order to better incorporate or better highlight relevant skills. So for retirement planning, there was no indication that I have experience with that, so it didn't force that skill onto my resume. If you want to see what the suggestion is, just click on AI suggested or click on the skill, and it will highlight that change on your resume. Here I can see what the change is, which is highlighted in green, and then I can choose to either accept or reject that change. And you can do that with each change. As you hover over a green highlighted sentence, you'll see what the change is, and then you can choose to either accept or reject it. So you have full control over the changes. There's never going to be a change here that you are forced to accept if you don't think it's relevant to your work experience. So I can go through my resume or go through the skills. I can see the changes that were made, and I can accept them one by one. Now, the real power of One-Click Optimize is whenever you use the Accept All button. Whenever I click on Accept All, it will accept every pending suggestion. If I've already rejected a suggestion, it will not accept those, so you still have control over the changes. But whenever I accept all, it accepts all of the changes that were suggested, my match rate increases, and I get a note that I'm all set. I can now copy the text of my resume or download the file. So in short, with One-Click Optimize, you get the best of both worlds. You have full control over the changes that are made to your resume, but you have the assistance of AI to make it easier to tailor your resume, to make it faster to make those changes, and to maintain your own personal style and formatting. I encourage you to try One-Click Optimize today and see how fast it is to tailor your resume. It really is amazing whenever you try it for the first time. And if you ever have questions, remember, you can always use the live chat option in the bottom right-hand corner to get help with the process. Thank you for watching. Have fun with One-Click Optimize and best wishes on your job search.